Facebook was partially down for some users in the U.S. on Wednesday. In many cases, the platform wasn't working at all. Dave Lee, with our partners at BBC News, reports from San Francisco.
Elaine, this is the worst outage Facebook has had since 2008. And of course, the site was a very different place back then. It just had a mere 150 million users. That's a fraction of the 2.5 billion users that typically use it in a month now. This outage, it began this morning here in San Francisco, and it's affected the Facebook app, it's affected Instagram, it's affected WhatsApp, it's affected Messenger, which is another Facebook product. It's also been causing problems for Facebook's virtual reality platform, Oculus Rift. So it's fair to say this has been a huge problem for the company. They have confirmed that they are working on solving the issue. They haven't given a specific reason as to why this has happened yet, but they didn't deny reports that it had been the victim of what's known as a distributed denial of service attack. That's a type of cyber attack where attackers will flood a certain service with a huge amount of traffic with the idea of overwhelming that site. Facebook has said that hasn't happened to them, but what they can't say at the moment is what has exactly gone wrong. Elaine?
Dave Lee, thank you.